Hey guys, today I'm going to walk you through how you can build and manage and publish your blogs directly within HubSpot. Let's get into it. So first up, we're going to head over to content and then down to blog. So it's really important to make sure that you have a theme set up for your blog. Just for a basic design template for you to use, you can go choose any kind of free themes or paid themes directly within your HubSpot marketplace, which is pretty much up in the top menu. Alternatively, there should be some HubSpot default templates that you can use for your blog. And then you can manage that directly in your settings. But let's just assume you've got that set up. Let's head over to the blogs. So we're gonna go down to content, then down to blog. So there's a couple ways that you can start your blog. First up, you can start it with AI. So this is if you have a general concept of what you want to write, but you want to just get a little bit of help on actually building out the content. AI is great for content creation here, so you can choose some recommended topics or give it a brief on the topic and some other prompts that you're wanting the blog to be about. Then you can chuck in some optional SEO keywords that you're targeting for this blog, as well as the country of your target audience, so it just knows who specifically we're talking to. And if you do run multiple blogs, then you can just select which blog you're wanting to post this to, and of course the industry related to your content. Once you've got all of that, you can then just hit continue on and just follow those prompts and see what AI generates for you. Alternatively, you can use some other third-party AI creation tools, things like Phrase, or even just ChatGPT. Like whatever tool you have should be able to help you with this. But once you've got your content ready, let's hit create. I'm going to choose a random blog that I want to build this out on, and then I can choose my language. This is particularly useful if you're working in multiple different countries and have to serve content based on specific languages. You may need to be specific as to which language this blog is going to be for. And then you hit create blog post. Now, the cool thing with HubSpot's blog builders is that it's very much drag and drop, very similar to a web builder. It's very easy to use and edit, especially if you're not super savvy with all of this stuff. So, for example, this is our template that we've got, and it's like these modules are very easy just to click into and edit. You can add in images. And if you want to browse the different modules, you hit the plus button on the left-hand side, and then choose random modules just to drag and drop over into your spots, and then just tweak the settings based on how you envision your blog to be. One particular thing is once you've added in all your content down here, I definitely recommend chucking in the narration option in here at the top. Really, it will pull that content that's in your blog, and you can just tweak it if you want in here, and then choose an AI voice, and it will generate a narration for your whole blog, which is really great for accessibility, and even just as an audio file if somebody wants to listen to it rather than read it. You can also hit preview on the narration before you hit publish. Next up, there's a bunch of different little things that you can do throughout your blog just to give it a little bit of spice and personality. So for example, we can chuck in fun images just to give it a bit of humor. You can use GIFs as well. Let's just say you've edited the blog and you're happy with how it looks. Before we hit publish, we're going to check the settings. So you just open it up, make sure that the blog title is correct. We can also edit the URL to make sure that that's set up how you want it and it's consistent with your brand. We can select a specific author for the blog as well as tags. So tags are quite important just to help categorize all your different blogs, especially if somebody is looking to learn about a specific avenue or channel. So you can choose multiple tags if they are all relevant. And if you don't have a tag relevant in here, you can go create a new tag as well. You can add in a featured image as well, so then when you go publish on social media and stuff, it knows which image from the blog to promote. And what else? Make sure you just chuck in your meta description and all of that best practices for SEO. And then once you hit publish, it's going to pop up with these additional options to help expand your reach for this blog. So this is where Content Remix comes into play, and it just makes it really easy to convert your blog content into all forms of different ways to send that message across your audience. So I can turn it into an ad, another blog post apparently, images, emails, SMSs, landing pages, you name it. But a very popular option is social media posts. So I can select that and even choose how many posts I want to create from this. Some call to actions, a website page, so on. So anything that you want to test out in here, select it, choose how many. And you can also choose what you're trying to achieve with this remixed content. So for example, I might want to just expand my reach, or I'm trying to drive conversions because this is supposed to be revenue generating content for me. Or I'm just trying to expand my content footprint. So that's particularly good for thought leadership and stuff. But once you've selected some things, you can hit remix, and then it will go away and generate a whole bunch of things. You get a chance to review it, tweak it before you go and publish anything. And it's even giving me a visual flow chart on what these things could be. Of course, we can go a lot deeper into all the different ways you can use AI to support your blog efforts. If you do want to learn more about that, make sure that you hit subscribe and check out all our other videos. But if you do want to start with the basics as well, I definitely recommend you check out our beginner's guide. But other than that, happy HubSpotting.